Welcome friends, welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. Its name is Prayas. So why I have made this channel? First of all, I want to improve my English as well as I want to contribute in the society, and from my videos some other students, peoples, girls, women, they will also get benefit from my videos. So first of all, first aim of this channel is to improve my English as well as to get to improve the English speaking of other people also. I have thought a lot of things. I I have a lot of topics in my mind, and you will see that I will make a lot of videos. So this is the purpose of this YouTube channel, to speak in English and to speak to improve English speaking for day to day use. This is the purpose of this channel. So friends, second video will come very soon, and in this video, if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel.